Go. Hi guys, this is Brian Blair here at Halo Inc. and today we're going to be talking about loading the Xerox Versant 180. So first what you're going to do is, once you've determined the paper that you're going to use, go ahead and move it closer to the machine, that way you don't have to keep going back to the rack. So we're going to be using this 24-pound paper. It's 90 GSM. So the easy way to open it is just going to be to pull down one flap. And then if you know you're using the full pack, just go ahead and tear it down the middle. And then you have easy access to that paper. Now the primary tray that we use here at Halo Inc. is going to be tray 6. So the first thing we're going to do is we're going to open up the tray. And you're going to see that it's got these little pinch grippers here. And this is going to allow you to adjust the tray size. So we're just going to open it all the way up. And then what we're going to do is we're going to look at the airflow right here. So for paperweights that are 257 to 300 GSM, we would move this slider up. For lower weight stocks, 60 to 256, we're going to move this slider down. So this is a 90 GSM, so we're going to move the airflow down to the lower weight stocks. Next, you're just going to neatly grab your paper stack, and you're going to inspect it for defects. These aren't going to run. These are going to jam for sure. So we aren't going to load those. These are trash. So we'll just set them off to the side for now. Neatly stack your paper, like so. I like to kind of give it a little bend in the middle. While holding it, push it all the way in the lower right-hand corner, like so. It should be nice and neat. And then you can grab your pinch grippers here, and you can slide them in, like so. Go ahead and close your tray. And what you're going to see is you're going to see this screen pop up. This is telling us that we've got new stock in tray 6. It knows it's 11 by 17. But it thinks it's 257 GSM. It's not. So we're going to change settings, and then we're going to go to paper type and paper weight. Now, that information can be found on the package of paper. So this is uncoated, so we're going to select uncoated, and it's 90 GSM. So now we come over here and we'll select the 81 to 90 GSM. Hit save. And you'll see that it kept that setting. The next thing to look out for is going to be the alignment adjustment. And what we're going to do is we're going to go ahead and click on this. This is something that we need to fix. They were kind of in a decent order at one point, but now they're not. So the first thing that you're going to want to do is you're going to check to see if we already have an alignment profile made for this. If you don't see one in the list, then we're going to go ahead and create one. But we're just going to use this one here, 24-pound 11 by 17 Mohawk. I know this is going to work for this paper type. And we're going to go ahead and click save. And save again. And you should have all the information up there, and we're just going to go ahead and confirm. And that is how we load the Xerox 180.